Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you stopped by. Today's Tasty Tuesday recipe is cheesecake pretzel dessert. I actually got this recipe from a cashier at the Dollar Tree. And she told me about it and I thought, I can do this in sugar-free. So, if you want to see how I do this, stay tuned. It's coming up next. Okay, for the crust, what you need is 3 to 4 cups of pretzels crushed, depending on how thick you want the crust. 1 cup of butter melted, and 3 tablespoons of sugar, or Splenda, which I'll be using. I'm going to combine the crushed pretzels, the butter, and the Splenda together in a bowl. I'm going to mix it well and press it into the bottom of a 9 by 13 baking dish. And I'll be baking that at for 10 minutes at 350 degrees. And then I'll let it set aside and cool completely. Okay, there's the pretzels. And the cup of butter melted. And this was actually 2 sticks of butter. And 3 tablespoons of Splenda. Okay, I'm going to mix this up well and put this in the bottom of a 9 by 13 pan. In the meantime, I will preheat the oven at 350 degrees. Okay, for the filling, what you need is 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese softened, 1 cup of sugar-free powdered sugar, 1 container of sugar-free Cool Whip, and 1 21-ounce can of no sugar added pie filling. You can use any pie filling that you like. Okay, in a bowl, I'm going to combine the cream cheese and the powdered sugar until it's smooth. I'm going to fold the Cool Whip into the mixture and then spread the mixture on top of the pretzel crust. And make sure that crust is completely cool. Then after that's done, I'm going to spread the pie filling on top of the cream cheese mixture. Okay, I'm going to beat up the cream cheese until it's nice and fluffy, and then I'm going to add the powdered sugar and beat that. Okay, I whipped the powdered sugar and the cream cheese together. And now I'm going to fold in the sugar-free Cool Whip. I'm just going to start with about half of the container. And then I'm going to add the rest of it. Okay, I've got all the Cool Whip folded in, and now I'm just going to start spreading it over the top of the crust. Well, I got the cream cheese mixture all over the top of the pretzels, and now I've got a can of cherry pie filling. And I'm going to try and stretch this to cover the top. Something tells me I'm going to need a second can. Okay, that's all 1 can gave me. So I think I'm going to add a second one so that it goes all the way to the end. Okay, I used 2 cans of pie filling, and it now goes to all of the edges. And I'm going to myself just a teeny tiny slice of this. And I honestly think that I need to chill it because the crust, and from what I understand, that's the way it's supposed to be. But the crust is really loose, and if I get this cold, the butter should make it a whole lot more solid. Oh, that is really good. With the way I made it, you can't even tell that it's sugar-free. Yep, that's going to be a new regular for us. So if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.